The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon continues to impress with its blend of luxury, off-road capability, and modern technology. This latest model retains its iconic boxy design while incorporating subtle refinements that enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The signature round LED headlights, wide grille with vertical slats, and bold wheel arches ensure that it still carries the unmistakable presence of a G-Class. Under the hood, the 2025 G-Wagon offers multiple powertrain options, including a twin-turbocharged V8 and an electrified variant that enhances efficiency without compromising performance. The V8 engine produces around 577 horsepower in the AMG trim, delivering exhilarating acceleration and a commanding driving experience. With a 9-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the G-Wagon ensures seamless power delivery across various terrains. The off-road capabilities remain a highlight of the G-Wagon, featuring a 3-locking differential system, high ground clearance, and adaptive suspension that adjusts to different driving conditions. Whether tackling rugged trails or cruising on highways, the 2025 model provides exceptional stability and control. The updated suspension system also improves ride comfort, making it more refined for everyday driving without losing its rugged DNA. Inside, the 2025 G-Wagon offers a perfect combination of luxury and technology. Premium materials such as Napa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum create an upscale ambiance. The latest MBUX infotainment system is integrated into a widescreen digital display, providing seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Advanced voice commands, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a premium Burmester sound system enhance the overall experience. The redesigned seats offer improved comfort and ventilation, ensuring that long journeys remain enjoyable for both the driver and passengers. In terms of safety, the G-Wagon is equipped with cutting-edge driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking. The 360-degree camera system improves visibility, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. These enhancements make the G-Wagon not only a powerful off-roader but also a safe and practical choice for daily commuting. For those who want a more personalized touch, Mercedes-Benz offers extensive customization options, from bespoke interior trims to exclusive exterior paint colors. The G Manufacture program allows buyers to create a truly unique vehicle tailored to their preferences. Despite its premium pricing, the 2025 G-Wagon continues to be a symbol of status and capability. Its timeless design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology make it one of the most desirable luxury SUVs on the market. Whether used for city driving, long road trips, or off-road adventures, the G-Wagon delivers an unparalleled experience. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more car content, your support helps us bring you more exciting car reviews, features, and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Wagon continues to impress with its blend of luxury, off-road capability, and modern technology. This latest model retains its iconic boxy design while incorporating subtle refinements that enhance both